Many of us grew up with the comforting assumption that our sun provides a static, perfect, and impenetrable protective bubble. We call it the heliosphere, and we imagine it as a solid wall that pushes back against the deep, dark pressure of the galaxy. Our understanding of that wall depends on Voyager 1, a small, fragile machine built by human hands. It is currently drifting over 24 billion kilometers from Earth, moving through absolute darkness on its way out of our system. When Voyager's dying instruments finally touched the edge of our presumed fortress, the data they beamed back to Earth entirely shattered our illusion of safety. We discovered that the boundary of our solar system is a highly porous, leaking membrane. Highly energetic galactic cosmic rays, the violent, lethal remnants of ancient supernovae, are streaming through those leaks and into our cosmic neighborhood. The boundaries of our home act as conduits, allowing the deadly shrapnel of the galaxy to bleed directly into the space we inhabit. The solar wind races outward at 800 kilometers per second, meeting the inward push of a cold interstellar headwind. In 2004, Voyager 1 hit the termination shock, the boundary where the outward wind slams into that headwind and abruptly drops to subsonic speeds. But Voyager did not just cross this line once. The probe's sensors recorded crossing the same boundary multiple times, contradicting every static model we had. Those multiple crossings prove that the boundary is moving, expanding and contracting based on the sun's fluctuating intensity. The barrier protecting Earth is a breathing, shifting entity, constantly struggling against the crushing weight of space. Beyond that shock lies the heliosheath. Scientists predicted this would be a calm buffer zone where solar particles and interstellar material mixed peacefully. Voyager found absolute chaos instead. It entered a region of twisted, tangled magnetic fields that snap and churn under the pressure of the galaxy. Solar particles become trapped in this zone, bouncing violently in all directions and causing the temperature to fluctuate wildly. The solar system remains locked in a violent, messy struggle, continually battered by the forces of the interstellar medium. By 2012, Voyager was reaching the outer edge of this chaos, preparing for the final transition into true interstellar space. Its sensors detected something deeply unsettling. The magnetic field lines from our sun were physically linking directly to the magnetic field lines of the outside galaxy. This was the magnetic highway, not a barrier, but an open door. Solar particles use these connected lines to escape outward into the void, while deadly interstellar particles shoot straight inward into our system. When Voyager finally crossed into the interstellar sea, the magnetic field direction barely changed. The two regions are permanently intertwined. The very edge of our home is compromised, with a permanent conduit funneling the deep space void directly into the solar system. Definitive proof of the crossing came when the surrounding plasma density spiked. Voyager had officially left the sun's influence, entering the cold, dense sea between the stars. In that same moment, the intensity of lethal galactic cosmic rays hitting the spacecraft jumped by 9%. These rays are the shrapnel of exploded stars. While the inner planets like Earth are cocooned in their own localized magnetic fields, the solar system's primary shield has failed to stop this flood, leaving our planet's defenses to face the direct, concentrated pressure of the galaxy. This pressure deforms our entire solar system. We do not live in a perfect bubble, but in a cosmic windsock plowing through a hostile galaxy at 23 kilometers per second. Voyager 1 has proved that the solar system offers no true wall. The galaxy is already inside our gates, streaming down a magnetic highway that is entirely